Hey guys, and congratulations. Now, why didn't I say thank you? Because you are about to witness a 100% proven method. Yes, guys. Okay, on this page right here, there is no big ass money screenshot that says 40 billion in last 30 days and make $2,000 over here in a day and make $2,000 over here in 41 seconds and all of that. Okay, and there is absolute no such thing as press a magic button and get 440 million free buyer traffic to any link. Enough of all of that, right guys? Enough. Hey guys, my name is Philip Johansson, and probably just like many of you out there, I lost a lot of money on those exact pages you see where they have the big money screenshot, the magic push button system and done for you and all of that, right? I actually ended up losing $20,000, my house, my girlfriend's, my car, and my family at some point. And a lot of you guys are probably in the exact same situation, that you feel frustrated. You feel like it's your fault that you aren't making this internet marketing thingy work or make money online, quote unquote. So listen guys, I want to present to you 15 seconds profit warrior. Not only me and my partner are using this system, but we got a complete newbie to get us this system. And within few days, she made $171, okay, in 15 seconds of work. That is equal to if you stand up, go to the bathroom and back again. No, then you probably forgot to wash your hands if that only took you 15 seconds. But you get the point, right? Listen guys, there is a traffic loophole that allows you to only spend 15 seconds in that loophole a day and will get you a ton of free traffic. This underground traffic source is trying to compete with the big guys, okay? And listen, these softwares that says that if you press this button, you're gonna get 440 million free buyer traffic to any link. We all know by now that when you press that gigantic magic button that usually don't work even, but when you press that, it shares to Pinterest, it shares to Instagram, it shares to YouTube, it shares to TikTok, it shares to Facebook and all of that. And now that is also completely fine and dandy and wonderful if you have followers, subscribers, and some kind of audience. Okay guys, with 15 second warrior, profit warrior, you don't need to have either of those things. If you are brand new, if this is the first time you're trying to make money online, this one can help you, and it can help you extremely fast. Okay guys, listen, all it takes is 10 minutes of your time, first time, to set it up. Then after that, each day you only have to spend 15 seconds. Now why? Because this loophole is trying to compete with the big guys. Okay, so when you spend 15 seconds in this loophole, it's gonna push out any link that you want. Okay, and if you don't have any idea what link to go to, we have inside of the 15 second profit warrior an A to Z, how to start it, what are offers to send it to, and bang, you make some money. Okay, it doesn't get any easier than this. Guys, listen, what you need in order to make money online is two things. Okay, you need traffic and you need something to sell. Right? That's it. That's it. That's maybe sound pretty simple, but we all know that is not the truth. Okay, that is why you probably are here on this page, because you're looking for a way to make some real money online. And guys, we have figured it out. Listen, people tend to overcomplicate everything, and that is fine. That is because they want to present to you some kind of new opportunity where that thing they have created is the new best thing. Okay, now I figured it out, my partner Dar figured it out, our partner Actar figured it out. And listen, it gets complicated when you're trying to reinvent the wheel. Okay? What you want is just to copy what is already proven for somebody else. Okay? And this exact thing is that thing that you need to copy. Does that make sense, guys? Okay, so listen. You are here because you want to go somewhere in your life. Maybe you're just like me, that I went on this journey to make money online because I wanted to provide for my family, because they saved me probably from dying in an early age for drug addiction and alcohol addiction. And they saved me. So I went on this make money online journey. And again, I ended up losing $20,000 on these broken softwares and false promises. And I ended up losing my house. I had to move into a basement because I had no money to live. And I was kept trying, probably just like you are. Maybe you have been trying it for months. Maybe you have been trying it for years. But you keep trying, and you keep trying, and you keep trying. Why? Because you have somewhere that you want to go. Maybe you hate your job. Maybe you want to see the world. Or again, maybe you want to provide for your family, just as I wanted to. And I can now do that, right? Thanks to especially one of these methods inside of 15 Seconds Profit Warrior. Because it doesn't matter if you have 0 followers, 0 audience, 0 subscribers. If you have nothing, you don't need an email list. Okay? You don't need an email list. You don't need complicated funnels. You don't even need to capture these emails in order to make money. And everybody says the money is in the list, but it's not needed with this method. Okay? So you don't even have to spend money on an autoresponder to make this work. So guys, there is no further investment whatsoever in order to make 15 Second Profit Warrior to work. And doesn't matter where you come from either. Okay? It works all over. And now, guys, I want you to hold on the why that you started in the first place. I want you to hold on to that, because I can help you. I can help you get there. Because, listen, guys, and here's where I'm supposed to give you my crazy awesome program that is value of $329,000, and give you my supersonic system of value of $2 million. And then you could never afford this bonus. That is value priceless. And then you're gonna get my money printing machine value of 14 billion. And all of that has a total value of $149 gazillion. Right, guys? That is what I'm supposed to do. But let me just tell you what I got. Okay, and who is for. What I got here is an A to Z blueprint on how to make this work. It's only going to take you 10 minutes to set up the first time. We're going to tell you what offers to send it to. If you have something else to send it to, we're going to also explain how you're going to do that. But mainly, we are focusing on getting the 15-second traffic onto an affiliate offer so you can make money from A to Z. Super simple, but yet super detailed training that you're just going to follow along and copy and paste exactly what Actor does. Okay? And then if you can see below this video right here, there is some kind of bar. For the first 200 buyers that gets this, we're gonna throw in an exclusive training on how me and my partner Dan Khan made more than $43,000 in just 7 days by leveraging this exact method for the first 200 buyers. So if you can't see that bar underneath this video, that means it's not here anymore. The 200 buyers already picked it up. And then, guys, I'm gonna give you direct access to all 3 of us. Why? Normally people sell this for $9.97, but we want to help you and lift you up. So if you have any questions whatsoever, you can simply reach out to any of us 3. We all are doing this method, so you can ask any of us if you're getting stuck whatsoever. And by having someone that can help you get unstuck, right, is the power, and that is the ultimate shortcut to generating financial freedom online, is by getting help from somebody that is already where you want to be. Okay, guys, and then if you're a complete new affiliate, then we are gonna give you direct access to promote 15-second Profit Warrior, even if you have no score whatsoever. We're gonna give you approval instantly so you can start getting some money ASAP as soon as goddamn possible. Okay? So guys, that's it. Okay? All of this is only $12.95. Press the button below and get instant access. And then I really hope you're gonna hold on to that why. And then see you inside of the training. Let's get it.